Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we're going to be doing a full unboxing of the Fall GQ subscription box, and I also have a really good deal to share with you guys. So if you've never seen the GQ subscription box, this is a quarterly subscription, and today we're opening up the Fall 2024 box. Now this box is currently shipping, so you can purchase this and receive exactly what I have inside of this box today. Right now, if you purchase using my link below and my coupon code, you can actually save $20 off of your first box. So you'd get this entire bundle for only $39, and they're throwing in a free bonus product as well for new members. So the free gift is a free weekender bag. That bag was, I think, in our subscription a year ago. So it's going to be an item that existing members are already familiar with, but as a new member, you wouldn't have had it yet, so that is the new member gift that they have at the moment. It's a really nice weekender bag though. So this is the only subscription that my husband is still subscribed to. He loves this box, you guys, and every single time that I get it in, I always tell him he can't open it yet because I would like to film it first. So he has been literally begging me for the last week to get this filmed because he wants to see inside of the box and he loves it. And I've just been, you know, distracted, or I've had other commitments, and so I've not had a chance to sit down and do it yet. So today, you guys, we are getting through this box because my husband cannot wait for very much longer. Look at this box. There's a lot of products in here. So I'm gonna start with this because it says to. So we're gonna read this, and it says that this is how we're going to redeem our first product. So this is a gift card inside of your box, so do not throw it away. It is a $105 gift card towards the Rains company. So this is a half zip fleece jacket. It's a lightweight, versatile jacket, and it says that this one is available while supplies last. There is an exclusive coupon code on here that you'll redeem for this half zip jacket. So this is your very first product. I like how GQ does this because then you can go online, order the size that works for you versus having to guess at what the size might be inside of the box. So we typically will get something like this every quarter. You'll just go online, use the gift card. It's a very simple process. I like the way it works, but also this seems like it's going to be a really nice zip up for fall time. Next item that we have in here is a full-size cologne, you guys. This is from Anthony. It's 3.4 ounces, full-size box, and it is completely sealed. I can't believe we just got a full-size cologne. So if you were gonna buy this, it's $75 for this full-size cologne, you guys. So this pays for your entire box and then some. I mean, it pays for like 2 of them, you know what I mean? Like, this is crazy. Now, the scent notes on this one will be amber, bergamot, sage, and it also has a touch of apple, it mentions, which I kind of think is perfect for fall. You know what I mean? Like, you've got your warmer scents in there, like that amber is typically very warm. Get that crisp apple scent. Like, I feel like this is perfect for the fall box. The next item inside of our box will be from NatureLab Tokyo. This is their clarifying scrub and shampoo. So it's a 2-in-1 product, 8 ounces. So this is full size. It is also cruelty-free as well. This will help to remove any product buildup that you might have, or oils, sweat, dirt, anything like that on your scalp. But then it will also cleanse and exfoliate your scalp and your hair as well. This is always good, I feel like, with guys, because like my husband will wear a hat, and do you notice how guys' heads just get so sweaty? They just do. And so I feel like this is great to really help clean everything out. And because it's an all-in-one product, that way they get it all done. You know what I mean? It's just one product, they're done. So this item is going to retail for $19. It says that it's an award-winning scalp detox product, and it says you want to use this once a week if you want to have really clean hair. Next up, we have a hydration mix. This looks very manly. Do you ever notice that manly things are always like black? I don't know. They're always just really dark. So this one is from Gainful. It's their hydration drink mix, tropical mango. Ooh, that is the flavor on this one, is mango. Now, this will be one full-size package here, and they state that there's 10 servings in here. So there'll be 10 actual packs, and then you'll just dissolve that into water. This retails for $14.99. It's a plant-based hydration supplement, so it will give you a lot of electrolytes after drinking this product in here. There's also calcium and magnesium, potassium as well. So they mention using this like after working out or a long day of work, then drinking one of these with your glass of water. We also have, there's also a men and nails product in here. So I think this is like a nail grooming kit of sorts, but it just looks kind of funny to me. So you have a silk bag, and then inside we have this leather holder. And down below, you're going to have, of course, black. I'm telling you guys, everything for guys is always black. But then you're going to have this really nice nail set. Now this is really nice, you guys. They're heavy. I mean, like really heavy. They also feel smooth, and they've got the little grips on here as well. The whole presentation feels really nice. So all different sizes for clippers. You could work on cuticles. I mean, whatever is needed, it is inside of this kit. So it's a really nice one. I mean, honestly, I'll use this. This is great. So this retails for $65. Shut the front door. I didn't realize it would be that much. It's a luxury grooming travel nail kit. It's made of luxury leather, which I knew it was leather. You can smell it. There's 100% stainless steel tools for hand, foot, and nail care. You can take it with you on the go as well, but $65 to purchase this. And I did realize on the back here, there's a couple of pockets in this, so you could always stick a couple things in there if you needed to as well. Now, what I would do is they send this in between here. I always recommend keeping that because then they don't clank and make a bunch of noise. If you close this without it, you can kind of hear them like just clanking around. So personally, it's just something that would drive me nuts. So if you are getting this box, just as a tip, maybe keep that inside piece. This is a really good box, you guys. I'm not even through it all yet, but I'm just telling you, this is really good this season. So next up, we have the Southern Scholar Gentleman's Collection. This, I don't know what I have here, but this looks nice. So, oh, we have socks. Ah, yes, we have a pair of dress socks. So they're navy, and then they've got the touch of white squares, all made in Dallas, Texas. These socks are $25, and it says that they are a subtle, sharp, and classic look that will go with everything. These feel really nice too. I will tell you that. We just got some dress socks actually for my husband, and they're not cheap, by the way. Like, socks are ridiculous. I think they're ridiculously expensive. But if you want a pair of socks that are going to last through multiple washes, you do kind of have to invest into a higher quality. These feel really good. Like, I have a feeling these are going to last a long time. And they mentioned that they're mid-calf socks as well. Now, one additional item that everyone will be receiving this season in their box is they're going to receive a flyer from the featured sponsor this month. This one is honestly pretty good. It's half off of any of the pants. So you can go online, choose the size you want, get everything that you need, and you'll be able to save 50% off by means of the gift card code on the reverse side. So you are still paying for a portion of this. I don't always use these ones. Usually every season we get a sponsor, they send us a deal. This one though, I think we might look into just because they seem really nice. It's a jeans wear style, but it says it's a performance piece. So it's designed to be more for like an athleisure type. So you can kind of tell just looking at them there. You can move in these. They should be breathable. So this is one we might look into, but usually every season there will always be a sponsor, and then you are able to get a discount on one of their products. So that is everything inside of my fall GQ subscription box, you guys. This one is really good. I always enjoy this box. But I don't know, there's something about this season that it's curated really well. I love the half zip fleece. It's perfect for fall. I know that's not in the box yet, but still really great value. I love that you get a full-size cologne in here. The nail kit was really good as well. So I feel like it's just better than usual. Like, this is one that I'm like, you guys need to go check out. And the fact that you can also get a free weekender bag when you sign up, that just makes it all the better. So I think this is a really great time to try this subscription out. I recommend it, you guys. I just think this box is really good. And if you're thinking about future gift ideas, you could always break this up into multiple guy gifts as well. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and we can chit chat all about it. Again, if you're interested, I do have a link and coupon code all down below. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!